Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about set up a shop tab on your page. Let's get started. You can use your Facebook page to sell your products and showcase them on your business page. This is useful for businesses that have an e-commerce website or businesses with a physical store selling their products. Having a shop section on your Facebook business page can be a great way to showcase the products that you are selling on Facebook. There are tons of potential customers who are browsing their Facebook news feed, and your page can appear on your potential customers' feed. They might discover your page and check the shop section and entice them to buy your products, especially those who are interested in the products that you are selling. The good thing is that they won't have to leave Facebook to shop for your products. But if you have an e-commerce website, you can redirect your visitors to your website and purchase the products there. First, check if the shop tab is visible on your page. In this example page, you may notice that the shop tab is not seen here, since the current template is just a standard template, while the shopping template has the shop tab enabled. You can choose this template for your page, and take note that the shop tab will only appear when you have successfully set up your shop tab on your page. If you don't see the shop tab on your page, you can go to the Templates and Tabs menu and look for the Shop tab here. In this example, the Shop tab is the first tab that is shown here. From these menus, look for the Manage Shop menu. Then click on the Start Shop Setup. Here's what you will need to complete before you can start selling. First, choose a checkout method. Facebook offers a way for your customers to pay directly on Facebook or be redirected to your website. Next is to provide your business details, like your business name and email, or connect to a business account. Last is to add your inventory. You can connect an existing catalog or create a new one to promote and sell your products online. Then click the next button to start choosing a checkout method. There are two options that you can set for your checkout method. Your customers can check out on another website, and this is an example view. For the option Checkout with Messaging, people will be redirected to the Facebook Messenger to arrange payment. Choose an option, then click Next. The next step is to connect a business account. Your business account gives you access to the Commerce Manager so that you can customize your shop, manage inventory, and view your business insights. You may see multiple business accounts that you have. You can choose one of these business accounts or create a new business account. This business name is the new Facebook page that we have created. Now choose a business name. Click the next button. The next step is to create a catalog. The catalog is the inventory of your items that you'll be selling. You need a catalog to add items to your shop. Input the name of the catalog, then click the checkbox. Now click Next. Now you can submit your shop for review. You can still edit the options that you have chosen. Once you're done, click on the checkbox and click the button Submit Shop for Review. Now you can see that we have successfully set up our Shop tab. This will give you two options to view your shop or customize your shop. You'll be redirected to this page where you can watch tutorials as your guide to your shop builder. If you set up a shop on your Facebook page, you can customize your shop to suit your brand, grow your business, and reach more customers on Facebook. Now that you know about setting up a shop tab on your page, we can now proceed to the next topic, adding items to your catalog. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.